So today, I want to talk about my brand, the Explosion Guitars. And the Explosion Guitar is a new brand that appeared to serve all the guitarists and kids who wants to learn to play the guitar. The reason why we create this brand is to offer guitars with our self-designed pickup and low price. And our slogan is, I still have problems with the connection between your guitar and effectors. Use Explosion Guitar and it will solve the problem. Our self-designed pickup will accommodate to different types of speakers and effectors. Noise will not bother you anymore. The about the campaign big idea. So as a new brand, we're trying to find some ways to publicize our brand and increase customers' awareness. We do not have any social activities yet. We also do not have official account and followers. Our campaign objectives are very simple. First, we need to increase the awareness. In addition, we need to increase the sales volume. Finally, we want to enhance our com competitiveness. Then we can challenge those big and famous brands. To achieve these objectives, we can use different channels. My social media objective is to build an audience and foster engagement with content. About the sales volume, I think it will increase if we approach enough target audience. So this is our target audience. And the KPI is a very important data to measure our success. For example, the subscribes and views in YouTube, the likes and the response in Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. If we have 10,000 views on YouTube and 10,000 likes and response on Twitter and Instagram, we can move forward to our next objectives. About the social media strategy, there are a lot of platforms that we could use to publicize. I know that it will be expensive to support running a social media, but I believe we will not get return without paying. I would choose YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram as my platforms. So there are five paid advertisement strategies: YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Google. And here's this inbound strategy. And we need to find the target audience, confirm the keywords that would attract our potential customers, and make customers build the loyalty to our brands and products. And we need to use social networks to attract customers. Here is our product. About the campaign budget breakdown, So about the Facebook advertising cost is CPC, CPM, CPL, CPA. Here is data. And the cost of YouTube ads runs relatively low and 10 to 30 cents per view. The cost of your ad depends on the quality of the video, targeting, and the overall goal you're trying to accomplish. And we will have to pay somewhere between 20 cents and $2 per click on Instagram campaign. So as a new brand, our first job is to increase customers' awareness of our brand. We can use social media and paid advertising to achieve that. It is also important for us to check the quality of our products. We need to make sure every product are in high quality.